All right, so it rained last night. It wasn't supposed to rain, but it did. And it's still raining, day 8, and pretty foggy out here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but our max is 13.6, but we'll probably stop a little bit short of that. We got a couple places that we might stay, but I don't know if I'm gonna do any whole lot of video because it's not really cold right now. It was this morning, but it started raining about 4 o'clock in the morning, and it's still raining. So if I see something interesting, you know the drill, and I'll show it to you. See you, bye. So we made it to Blue Mountain Shelter. We see it back there. It is crazy windy, so I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear this or not. We're taking a break here. It's about 12:15, and it's been a crappy day. It's just been cold and windy. Started off in the rain. Every now and then the sun will poke out, but got about another 6 point something. We're gonna try to get to the Cheesecake Factory tonight and camp there. And ooh, that wind is cold. Oh man, is it cold. So I haven't been doing a lot of filming, but it's been cold. It's probably 40 degrees with a wind chill. But see some interesting stuff. I'll get it out here to you. But like it so far, no paints, no aches, nothing. It's just cold, miserable cold today. All right, see you, bye.